Hey, what's up guys, this is Navid Ahmed Khan and you're watching Checo Tech.
And now enough is enough. Huawei is going to introduce their brand new operating system, that is Harmony OS, in their upcoming P series. As we all know, Huawei introduce every year two flagship series like M series and P series, and in the last month they introduced M30 and M30 Pro with Android 10 on board, but without Google services. That was because of US trade ban. And guys, maybe you are wondering how to download Google apps on those smartphones. You can still download Google apps on those smartphones from a third-party apps. And guys, tell me in the comment section whether you want to know how to download Google apps in the Huawei phones, so that I can make a separate video on that. And guys, maybe in the coming months, if the US trade ban get removed, you can see Google apps on Huawei devices. And for now, Huawei have only 1 month to act because of their second temporary license is going to expire in mid-November. After that, Huawei will not able to work with any US companies. And guys, if things doesn't work with Huawei and US, then Huawei had already think about that. And that is Harmony OS. Huawei is going to introduce their Harmony OS in their upcoming smartphones like P40 and P40 Pro. And after that they will roll down to all the Huawei smartphones by some updates. And that's not the end guys, you will able to see dual boot system in upcoming Huawei smartphones, in which you can decide whether you like to use Android OS or Harmony OS. And guys, according to me, this is a good thing to give customers their choice whether they want to use Android or Harmony OS. And guys, the first device with Harmony OS will be the upcoming P40 series. And guys, let's hope good for Huawei. This is it for today guys. If you like the video, hit the like button, share this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we will keep you updated.